Greetings and welcome to an introduction to SCODE. The purpose of this video is to present you the conceptual and functional design aspects of the SCODE simulation. Supply chain operations decision environment is designed to mimic key business decisions regarding procurement, manufacturing, and customer accommodation. Success in the simulation can be attributed to a variety of factors. However, participants should recognize the value of using the integrated supply chain model. We can see in this diagram that logistics is the central force between the business functions, as it is a source of information related to product, service, financial, and other knowledge. When extending these flows beyond the enterprise, the integrated supply chain model captures the inherent complexity that exists within any supply chain. This view allows us to recognize key factors in terms of capacity, information, core competency, capital, and human resources. Using this model as a backdrop, we can consider a basic strategic decision regarding where we should locate a plant facility. Like any key long-term decision, however, we must consider other factors, including finished good distribution and raw material supplier capability. In this diagram, we can see that the plant is co-located with the distribution center. When determining a plant location in SCODE, it is defined by geographic location as well as by capacity. The distribution center monitors total finished good inventory as well as ensures timely distribution to the 5 customer markets, also defined by geographic location. The plant portion of the facility is responsible for timely production of finished good relative to demand and inventory strategy. The plant is also responsible for storing raw materials used in the production process. As we can see, the geography of SCODE is such that we must consider the modes of transportation: air, land, and rail/sea. Each mode comes with it some degree of cost, speed, and reliability. The anticipated delay for any delivery by mode is 2 weeks for rail/sea, 1 week for land, and 0 weeks for air. We can now look at some of the operational decisions required on a regular or weekly basis. Again, using the integrated supply chain model, we can view the enterprise as a series of operational decisions. Starting with the market, we must consider how we will capably meet all demand over the period of the game. This demand management then feeds a production schedule, which in turn determines the raw material replenishment strategy. The bullets note the operational decisions you will be required to assess on a weekly basis. In summary, the supply chain operations decision environment provides 2 different types of decisions: strategic or long-term, which are considered supply chain design, and operational decisions, such as raw material procurement, production scheduling, and demand and inventory management. So as we consider the relationship between strategic and operational decision-making, in SCODE, you will also be dealing with a set of background decisions called administrator decisions. These decisions create the business scenario at hand. Any details regarding your administrator decisions will likely be found in the business scenario document.